How to fix app does not support the contract specified error on Windows. 1. Use disk cleanup. 2. Run SFC scan. 3. Show hidden files and folders. 4. Run your Windows in its clean boot, then uninstall problematic apps using the recommended uninstall tool Pro in this video guide. 5. Enable sync licenses in Windows Store, if you are using some old version of Windows. 6. Update Microsoft Store apps. 7. Run the Microsoft Store apps troubleshooter. 8. Clear store cache by running wsreset.exe command as admin. 9. Disable your antivirus/firewall/VPN. 10. Scan your system for potential malware using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 11. Reset your PC.